He was once the gentlest creature in the kingdom until something rewired his mind.
By dawn, the stable floor would be stained with loyalty, repaid by violence. The question wasn't why he snapped, but who had been teaching him. In a prosperous kingdom, strength was meant to protect, not destroy. And beside that throne stood a mind sharper than any weapon.
And beside that throne stood a mind sharper than any weapon.
He had never crushed a skull, never even swatted a fly.
But night is where influence spreads, unnoticed, unchallenged, unfiltered. They rehearsed cruelty like craftsmen sharpening blades. Kill without hesitation, they insisted. Strip yourself of goodness. He listened again the next night, and the night after that. Repetition is persuasion's oldest weapon, even against the innocent. He reached a conclusion no one intended, but no one prevented. He believed the lesson was meant for him. He reached a conclusion no one intended, but no one prevented. The first death wasn't rage, it was rehearsal finally performed. Strength without conscience becomes spectacle, and spectacle attracts more fear. Panic spreads faster than violence ever could. The throne heard the word madness and mistook corruption for disease. But one mind in that court suspected something far more dangerous. He did not look for wounds, he listened for patterns. The beast showed no fever, no foam, no tremor of illness. This was not a broken body, it was a rewritten mind. Someone had been speaking near this stall at night. And words, repeated often enough, begin to feel like commands. The mind had been trained into violence. It could be trained back. Replace cruel whispers with disciplined virtue, night after night. So different voices gathered where the thieves once crouched. They spoke of mercy, of patience, of strength without harm. And inside that massive skull, something old began to stir. Old commands still echoed: kill, strike, dominate.
But new words layered over them: endure, protect, be gentle. The mind, like wet clay, hardens around whatever it hears most. By dawn, the rage no longer demanded obedience. When a handler approached, he did not move. Strength returned to discipline, not destruction. The court learned the difference between madness and influence. A creature becomes what it repeatedly hears. And so do you. Your environment is a sculptor. Choose the voices that shape you.